Welcome to the reality ride and how it connects to the 7-step decision-making process. You can see at the bottom the consistent loop of making the same decision over and over again and it not always ending well. So my example of something that happens at school is when you consistently choose not to do your homework and you're stuck in that loop of consistently getting alt or not doing well on the assessments. And you're probably going to feel frustrated and angry and irritated and how no one feels comfortable when that's happening to them. You can maybe also relate this to your relationships. My example that you might all get a giggle of is when I was in junior high, I chose to date the same guy over and over again, and I was dumped 7 times. I probably should have figured that out a long time ago, but I constantly would hit that wall and feel very angry and hurt. So as you can see, that we need all of these wheels turning at the same time in our home and our school and our peers to be moving and helping us get down the right path for us. Earlier, we were discussing about what it's like as you're approaching the top of a roller coaster hill and how we might be feeling anxious or even excited or even nauseous, and how that anticipation, even though exciting for a short 3-minute roller coaster ride, is not something we want to feel consistently every day in our life. We want to feel more calm and in control. So, for the sake of this activity, we're going to think about a decision that you need to make. And let's say this summer you are choosing how you're going to spend your time and how you could potentially earn some money so that you could do some social activities. So, the decision that needs to be made is what could you do to earn money? So, that is number one. Two, you're going to gather all the info. What opportunities are available for you? What could your challenges be? Would you have transportation there? Is it something that your friends might be doing? Is it going to interfere with school? Probably not. You're going to think, is there anything in here that could get me in trouble? Obviously, you wouldn't want to choose something illegal to earn money. But otherwise, I don't really think in this scenario there's a bunch of things that could get you in trouble. So you're going to compare all of your choices and think about, is there any alternatives? One alternative is that you just go without doing a bunch of social activities. If that is not an option for you, you're going to compare all of your options that you have, choose one, and take action, whether that be apply for the job and go to work every day. When you make decisions that offer you opportunity, freedom, and self respect, you're going to have a much better result. As always, you want to consider who can support you with these decisions and review all your different options for the future. Thank you.